Welcome to another session of the Public Speaking Masterclass on Practice. How to practice your public speaking and presentations at home. And in this session, we are going to look at how you can use storytelling at home to practice. Storytelling is key. And as speakers or presenters, whatever you're going to do on stage is to speak and tell stories. You can use your body to tell stories. You can use gestures to tell stories and you can tell good stories to captivate your audience. So, as a speaker who wants to be a good speaker, you can learn to tell stories at home. Sit up, sit down, or stand up, pick stories that you may likely use on stage, and you tell them to yourself. You can incorporate what we already did. I already said one of the ways that you can practice, you can record yourself with the stories, telling the stories. I can pick the story of Mark Zuckerberg. I can pick the story of anybody, any character. I can pick the story of a book or a phone or anything that I want to tell a story. I can tell my own stories. Maybe you have experiences about things you've gone through in life. Tell them to yourself and see, do they make sense? So once you learn to tell these stories as packages, you are going to get better and better and better because you've already heard the stories and you know how to tell the stories and what parts are you supposed to stress on and how emotional are you going to tell the stories will all make a difference if you learn to practice how to tell stories. So learn to tell stories, create opportunities for yourself to tell good stories, and you are going to be somebody who will do well when you mount the stage. Storytelling is key. Understand this and learn to practice telling stories. Pick a bundle of stories, tell them emotional stories, inspirational stories, sad stories, stories that will ignite people. You just tell them and craft them, write them down so that you know that when you are speaking, you are going to tell ABCD story. And once you are practicing telling stories, it helps you become a good storyteller. I believe in you. Let's do this. Let's create opportunities. Keep practicing, keep telling your stories, and sometimes you can share some of your stories with me. Thank you very much. See you in the next session, and let's do this.